Hello friends, my name is Rajendra Mahindale and today I am back with a small but interesting topic about cloud computing, that is cloud databases. Cloud databases are databases that run on cloud computing platforms such as Salesforce, GoGrid, Rackspace and Amazon EC2. Users can independently run cloud databases on the cloud with either of the two deployment models. One is virtual machine image or second is database as a service. Cloud databases are extremely popular for reducing IT complexities and operational costs. They also prevent the hassle of licensing, traditional procurement, maintenance, installation, and involving a huge number of IT staff. So let's look at some popular cloud databases. So let's look at the first cloud database, which is Amazon Web Services. Amazon offers a variety of cloud database services, which includes NoSQL as well as relational databases. For example, Amazon RDS is a relational database service which is running on either Oracle, SQL, or MySQL server instances. Amazon SimpleDB is a schema-less database that is meant to handle smaller workloads, and Amazon DynamoDB is a NoSQL database capable of automatically replicating workloads across 3 availability zones. Amazon also offers supplementary data management services such as Redshift, which is a data warehouse service, and Data Pipeline, which is a data integrating service. The second database service is IBM DB2. This is a relational database that delivers advanced data management and analytics capabilities for transactional and warehousing workloads. Amazon DB2 is designed to deliver high performance, actionable insights, data availability, and reliability. It is also supporting Linux, Unix, and Windows. However, it has fewer regional options, which may impact the performance and compliance requirements depending on the development projects. The third important database service is offered by SAP, which is already known for their enterprise software, but now they also offer a cloud database platform called HANA for complementing the on-premises database related tools of an organization. One of the major database tools complemented by HANA includes Sybase, and this tool is available in the AWS cloud as well. Fourth important database service in the series is MongoDB Atlas, which is a popular open source NoSQL database that offers powerful scaling, sharding, and automation capabilities. Another advantage is that most developers using this can speed through continuous delivery models without any database administrator handholding. The fifth database service is Enterprise DB, which initially was built to focus on open source PostgreSQL databases, but later it became famous due to its capability to work on Oracle database applications. The Postgres Plus Advanced Server of Enterprise Database enables businesses to use applications that are designed for Oracle on-premises database, which runs in cloud from HP and AWS. It also comprises of scheduled backups as well as binary replications. The next important database service is from Google Cloud Platforms, which is a bit behind in the race with the other big players in the market, but its solutions are now being adopted by more and more businesses of different sizes. The broad open source compatibility also has its own benefits, allowing you to scale up while doing more with analytics and integration. Cloud SQL by Google is a database service comprising of two main products. One is Cloud SQL that describes a relational database, and second, BigQuery analysis tool, which can run queries on vast set of databases stored in cloud. The next contender in the series is Azure, offered by Microsoft. Azure Cloud Computing Platform offered by Microsoft is a relational database that enables users to access SQL database either on Microsoft Cloud or on hosted servers on virtual machines. The next database is Oracle Database, which provides companies with enterprise scale database technologies stored in the cloud. Despite its first offering being quite comprehensive, the Generation 2 offering has consistently higher performance with extensive governance and security controls. Data migration is also covered with a dedicated solution and tight customer support in case any technical issues arise. And the last one in the series is OpenStack databases, which come in managed or hosted cloud databases. So Rackspace, for example, is a highly customizable database, and its architecture is easy to understand and implement. It also has good scaling capabilities. Databases offered by Rackspace come in managed or hosted cloud databases. They provide high performance and incorporate SAN storage network based on the OpenStack platform. So to summarize, today we saw few popular cloud database services. I hope you like this video. See you later in my next video on similar topics. Happy learning.